been a minute, but it's time to bring out the chef. Here we go. Oh yeah. Chef Yaboyardee. You ready? So today we're going to put a little twist on a tuna fish sandwich. Let's get this going. As the chef, I have to stick to the ingredients that are on here in order to make whatever it is I make. See the ingredients. Let's go. So what I did is I have raw tuna mixed with a little Italian dressing, seafood. So those two things already. Lean meat, olive oil. Italian dressing is olive oil and balsamic vinegar, if I'm not mistaken. But then we have flax seeds, which I believe fall up under the nuts situation, as well as spinach. I mean spinach, I use that shit on everything. I mean everything. I make smoothies, and when I make smoothies, I don't care if there's bananas, berries, oat, whey, there's always spinach in the mix. Now this that bullshit, man, because now I got flax seeds spilled all over the damn counter. So I'm going to go ahead and put them in the bowl real quick. So I'm going to take some of these flax seeds to add a little crunchiness to the tuna. Sprinkle that all up in there. Yum, 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 yum. So I stirred them up in there. And I also spinached up the whole wheat hoagie roll I'm going to use. Now I have the tuna dumped on the roll. You know, I'm a cheese fan, so I think I'm going to throw some Swiss cheese on here. Swiss cheese ain't too bad. Swiss cheese on the sandwich. And there you have the finished product. A twist on the tuna fish sandwich. Nice healthy alternative without putting gobs of mayo and all that on it. There it is. I think I'm going to have me a nice big old glass of water with this and call it lunch. Later.